The farm, beautiful afternoon, absolutely no breeze. Sun's coming from that direction. And what have we got? We got the Cobra. So this is a bit of a work of art. It's a Eclipson model, originally designed as a 50mm EDF. So EDF sits right in that hatch in there, and it's got wheels, which is a big problem, and that one there just doesn't seem to really want to spin. Put it in your slicer and put it at 125%, you get a 64mm EDF. If you go to 130, I think it is, you get a 70mm. That's into the wind. Look at that. I need to try and kill it. Only on a 4S, and it is a bit too windy. Power off. It's going to be easy to land, isn't it? Go around. She said go around, please. Try not to blink in the turn. Come down a bit lower. Yeah, she's pretty windy. Let's see how we go there. Getting down. Square. No, it just wants to keep going by itself. Power's off there. That's into the wind, power off. How good's that? Power off still. I'll tell you when we're going back on. On. So we haven't gone over like 25% power since we started. About 50, oh, still we took off. That was full biggies when we took off. Look at that. Power on a bit. Just to keep it. Look at that. 50% throttle. There we go, there's our timer anyway. We'll ring him in. This is the good part. Yeah, that's all we've done. Taken the canopy off. So we'll put that, see, it doesn't sit on there by much. So it's designed to eject so the pilot can get out.